you guys are having a fabulous day. So I'm gonna do like a little bit of a haul unboxing and stuff like that. So I want to start with my BOXYCHARM first because this one's gonna be long if I don't start this here. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video and also leave a comment. And also ring that bell so you guys can get notified when I upload, because I'm gonna be doing another giveaway in the middle of March. So if you guys don't ring the bell, you wouldn't know if I'm gonna do a giveaway again. Let's get into the unboxing. So I'm gonna start with my BOXYCHARM. This is the February 2019 box, and the card is Afterface in the box, which is the Better Than Sex mascara. This one is okay. I'm not like a massive fan of it, but I like it still. You know, it's $27. You know, why not? It's Better Than Sex mascara, separates coats and curls each lash to voluminous perfection. You're gonna get like good curls with this type of mascara. I don't know, I might put it as a giveaway, I might not. You guys should stay tuned. Eve is the Pretty Vulgar Shimmering Swan highlighter. I got so excited with this one because I've been needing like a good ass highlighter. So this one is Shimmering Swan. Looks like that. Looks pretty.
The Pretty Vulgar highlighter allows your skin to capture the light of any room you walk into with this unique velvet smooth highlighter infused with glow-loving, light-reflecting, and pearlescent pigments. This
highlighter will give your skin the perfect amount of brightness. Next thing I have right here is the Pharmacy Clean B. Soothes and hydrates your skin while lifting dirt. Excessive oil was made for daily use. Keep those with sensitive skin in mind. It's formulated in natural delivered ingredients like coconut sugar, animal. Yeah, it's basically for your face to clean your wrinkles, whatever you feel in your face. This will help you glow up, basically. Seek Prime and Glaze Lip Crayon. This 2-in-1 lip duo feature luxurious lip smooth primer on one side and shiny color glaze on the other. The primings glides onto your lips and to leave behind pop of shiny shimmer. This one, okay, found it, guys. So this one is Touch and Soul. Creates a seamless canvas for your foundation with the new touch and no problem primer. The light silky texture blurs pores and wrinkles, giving your skin a soft velvet feel. And then the Too Faced Better Than Sex is $24 or something. And this one is, I believe, $25. And then this one is $22. And the Pretty Vulgar is $32. So overall in this box, I have over $121 in total. So that's a really good deal for $21 a month, I think, in my opinion. So I'll let you guys know if some of these will be in the giveaway too. Because sometimes if I don't need some of these products in my life, I'm going to give it to someone that may want it. So I'm not sure about this one, but you guys might want to try it. You never know. You never know. So keep a lookout because this girl always does giveaways. I haven't done a giveaway in over 2 months because I've been really broke. You know, paying bills and stuff, you know. So yeah. And then the next thing I'm going to show you guys is clothing. This one is from Charlotte Russe. So I only got like some cute things on here. I haven't shopped for clothes in a while because like I said, I've been broke. So the first thing that I have is this kind of like a sweater. It's really cute for the winter. It's still winter here, and to be honest, for it to be like kind of warm again, it will be probably like in April, so we still have some time. And this is not too heavy or anything, so this is really good in the nighttime when you feel like you're kind of cold and everything. $22. Which is kind of like expensive, but not too bad. Looks like that. Smells really nice. I got this like nice cute little blouse. This is really cute for like maybe the summer or in the spring. You can use this probably at church. Really pretty. And this one was about $22 as well, so it's not too shabby. Oh, the next thing that I got are these pants right here. They're kind of like leggings and they're kind of long, so it's really cute. It's like flowy pants. And then this one was $19 in large because this girl is has big thighs, so I got to get the large ones. And then I got this one as well, same price, but this one is like in stripes. You could probably use this for like a tank top and a blouse over it. This is good for like if you're gonna do an interview too. I only got like 2 matching things, and I got 2 jewelry. I got this little earring, this ring right here, which is super cute, which is really nice. Why not? Also bought a mirror from Burlington. I've been using this for a while. I just haven't shown you guys what I got recently, but I've been using this quite frequently. And there's like a zoom in as well when you kind of like turn this way. It's like for the zoom in, and this one is for like just normal. I got this like big ring light right here as well. Then I got this for my boyfriend for Valentine's Day. It's a gift for me. So yeah, I got some chocolates. I like kind of like pinkish kind of. I'm more to like pinks and violets and like these type of colors. So cutest thing is this little card, which I will put as a decoration. How cute it is! Oh my god! This like tripod right here, very random, guys. It's very random, but it's like really cute. You know, I want to add it in here. Why not? And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Let me know in the comments below if you guys want me to try on the clothes next time or anything. If you guys want to see how it looks on me. Thank you guys for being here and being supportive. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Falling in love